Hey guys, Friday, June 13th, 2025. As you already know, Israel attacked Iran and volatility has increased on crude oil. So let's look at some key levels and see what the charts is telling us. So this is my market profile, and so far you can see on the monthly point of control is 70, you can say 72.86. On the weekly is 70, and on the daily it is 70. So as long as we could stay above point of control, high probability that crude oil could maybe continue going higher. Looking at our simple glance chart, starting with the shorter time frame, as you can see, pushed higher above the linear regression channel, and that's because of the volatility. So in the short time frame, very bullish. Above the cloud, MACD is positive, sentiment is up. On the weekly, however, is different. We need to close or have a weekly close above 76.41. We pierced it up to like 77, pulling back. Kind of risky here because you're very overextended. Ideally would probably be nice to get a pullback and then another leg higher. But with the war going on, you never know what could happen. But that's ideally what you want, is to be above and close above 76. On the monthly, we're entering now the cloud, so it's going to be very volatile here until we could clear out this area and have a monthly close higher. But MACDs are all positive on the simple glance chart. Now looking at some retracements going from the $6 all the way to the 130, we are above the midpoint, which is 68. So we failed here. It was like a failed new low, popped because of the Israel attack. And now this is a key level you want to watch. If we could stay above 68, then it's probably they could go higher. Let's look at another retracement level. This is from the high to here. We're now at the 25%, which is 73.96. If it stays below it, then we'll be back on, you can say, chop fest. But if we could stay above the 25%, your next target would be 92, which is the 50%. Lastly, more fractal. You're now below 75, so that's your midpoint. So I'm just looking at fractal levels. And in regards to channels, you can see that we're in this channel and it's downwards. So you want to see us close above here and start a new channel like this, going this way. Once that starts developing, there's a high probability that it could continue, or at least push higher, maybe to this pivot high of 95, depending on the circumstances that's going on in the Israel and Iran situation. And this is my midpoint chart. I'm just going to use the weekly. So far for now, mobiles are positive. Stokes are pushing higher. PPS buy signal that kicked in last week. Just interesting. Made a low, kind of quiet last week. Kind of woke up. And now it super woke up. And now you're at the 76.47, which is the midpoint of the year. So right now it's retracing back. Which is good for the U.S. and the U.S. economy, because if crude oil starts going up, things could get a little crazy. But keep your eye on 76.47. If we could push back up there and close and continue, I think it's a good shot to go long. But I will wait for a pullback, and we'll look at some cycles and other stuff to see if everything is all lining up. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on crude oil.